Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. A land where the Arabian Sea meets lush green hills, where waterfalls sing, and where every sunset feels like a blessing. Waterfall and forest. The journey begins deep in the forest. Here, silver threads of water tumble from the cliffs, feeding rivers that weave through the land. These forests are alive. Kerala is not just a destination, it's an experience. Over the next few moments, we'll journey from its wild highlands to its golden coasts, from ancient traditions to modern cities. Every frame will tell a story. Every place will touch your heart. The song of birds, the call of cicadas, and the quiet footsteps of wildlife. Every leaf here tells a story, hundreds of years old. The magical backwaters. From the hills, the waters flow. To the backwaters, a gentle labyrinth of canals, rivers and lagoons. This is Kerala's heartbeat. Houseboats glide by like floating dreams, carrying guests into a slower, softer world. Pause 1 second. Here, life moves to the rhythm of the oars and the songs of the wind. Pause 1 second. Fishermen cast their nets, children wave from the shore, and the setting sun turns the water into liquid gold. Legend of Jatayu. High on a rocky hill in Kovalam stands Jatayu, the legendary eagle of the Ramayana. It is said he fought valiantly to save Sita and fell here after the battle. This colossal sculpture honors his bravery, while the view from above reminds us of Kerala's grandeur. Modern Kerala, Kochi. Kerala's charm is not only in its nature, its cities pulse with energy and innovation. Kochi, the queen of the Arabian Sea, is a vibrant mix of old and new. The metro glides above busy streets, connecting people and possibilities. From colonial-era buildings to gleaming towers, from spice markets to tech parks. Kochi is a city of contrasts, rooted in history, yet reaching for the future. Tea hills and tuk-tuk life. Beyond the city, the road climbs into tea country. The hills are dressed in endless green, each leaf carefully plucked by skilled hands. A tuk-tuk winds through the narrow roads, past villages where life flows with the seasons. Luxury in paradise. Kerala knows how to indulge you. Resorts here offer the perfect balance of comfort and culture. Swim in infinity pools that seem to merge with the sea. Wake to the call of the waves. Every detail, from the wooden carvings to the local cuisine, is designed to immerse you in Kerala's essence. Backwaters. The backwaters are not just scenery. They are a living network of trade, travel and tradition. Villages flourish along these waters. Life here is simple, yet rich, with fishing at dawn, market boats at noon, and quiet evenings under starlit skies. Culture and festivals. From the grand colours of Onam to the electrifying Thrissur Puram, Kerala's festivals are celebrations of life itself. Music, dance and rituals turn streets into stages and hearts into open doors. Sunset and farewell. As the sun sinks into the Arabian Sea, pause 1 second. Kerala reveals its most magical face. A houseboat sails into the glow of twilight, the air filled with the sound of crickets and distant laughter. This is not goodbye, for Kerala stays with you. In your heart, forever. Kerala, God's own country. Come and let it change the way you see the world.